start today's Access Lab. So today we are talking about a simple database programming using C# or using Java. So how can you connect to the Oracle server using JDBC or use C# web page or use C# form? So first you have to configure your JDBC. So you should download the Java IDE, then set in your environment. So find your system variable environment, then change your path to the directory of your Java file. Okay, you can Google it because each student have different environment settings. So we will go to the next chapter to using the Eclipse to get data from the our server. So in the lab we don't have Eclipse environment, so we just show you the steps. So first create new projects. Name your new project and create main class. And after that, you have to download this JDBC library. So you will click that and accept it. Then they have JDBC 7 and download it. Yeah, type in your Oracle account, then you can download. So after that, you have to import this JDBC to your project. So right click your project name, choose properties, then choose library, and add the job file, and choose the JDBC 7, then OK. Okay, next you have to copy and paste all the code here to your project. Make sure the class will be the same like this if it will go to the compile error. So here, if you are in the lab, you will see. Okay, we'll briefly describe this code. So we import 4 libraries here: connection, driver manager, result, sets, and statement. And we go into the main function. So first we will try to get the Oracle driver. Then we print out the driver register if we get the driver. Then we make a connection variable, statement variable, and result set variable. Then we want to get the connection. So the connection statement is like this. So if you're in the lab, the parameter here is this part is the computer name in the lab, and this is the port number, and this is OICO, and this is your username, and this is the user password. If you use your own laptop to connect to the Oracle server out of campus or in the UV network, you should use this statement. It will be a little different. Use at localhost. Also the port number 1521. This should also be OICL. Okay. Then your username and user password. Okay. So we want to get the data. So what we would have to what we will use is to use this statement to choose all the tables. So we will get all the tables name from the from your account. Then we create the statement, and the result set should be the connection with the executing query. The query is select all from user tables. So we will get next until to the end. So we print all the table name. So if the connection here should be result should be like this. Get all tables name from your database. So if you want to do another query using another statement, you just change the statement here. You will get results like you using your SQL Plus. So in the lab we have another Java IDE is NetBeans. So I will show the demos here using NetBeans. So open NetBeans, create a new project. Next, choose the name. The name is not very important, but the class name should be the same. So I will make sure it's the same. Okay, finish. Okay, so first we should import that JDBC file. So we right click the project name, choose property. So we will see libraries here. Then combine time member. We will add a jar file. So this where I download the JDBC file. So open. So click OK. So next, I will copy all the code here. You will see. This because it doesn't know my account. We will type. We will change to my account. It's very easy. Change your account name here. Then your password. Okay. So you will see the result here will be different. Yeah, this is my table, all the tables in my account. So this is how you use Java to connect to the Oracle server to get data set. There's next I will show another using C# the form type to create the interface to get the data. forget to add this library. Okay, so go back to your interface, double click the button. So you will create a button method, then also copy all the code here. So yeah, the code here means also first you create this variable to get the connection. The connection variable like this. It's also OSCL. This is the username, password, and let me see.
Data source.
Data source should be ORCL. Yeah, I want to see distance where we see. And also in the online students, distance student also should be user ORCL. Okay. Yeah. Then I got new connection. Connection string equals to this. So the connection will get all the information about the name and the password. Then open this connection. If we connection successfully, it will show the connection successfully. Then we will create a statement, a SQL statement. So we create a statement. So the statement is select table name from user tables. Then we should execute it, reader. Then we type it in the label 1. Then we'll get the result. Then after that we close this reader, then close the connection. Okay, we will show.
Z. Can you please increase the font?
Decrease the font.
It's down, bottom. 100%.
Which one? View?
No. See.
Yeah, it will show the connect successfully. Then you will see the tables name. Okay, if I change another user, you will see different result. So firstly, make sure it was because in the lab you defaultly connect to the UV server and Oracle server. So when you use the own laptop, make sure you use PuTTY and the SQL Plus to connect correctly. Okay, I will use my account. Yeah, this is my tables from my account. Okay, this is how we use Java and C# form to connect to the Oracle server and get the data set.
Now you see the one application based on ultimate application that we will build up, that is in terms of employee table. And employee table is in here. CR underscore company here is already employee table, and based on those, basically our application will build up. So the folder called sec6. From there, if I take that file, SQL file, and copy into my host, which is my host location is user and then username. So which is another window C. If we go user and then there I can paste it. So here I can paste it, and then here I can directly call it. So the way we call it CR, so our file name is, this is our file name, and this is our location from where we can call it directly. So it's run or not, we can make sure by to open it into that employee table has the things, and you can see here describe employee. So you can see that it's the same name, F name, all the things. F name, M, init, L name, and all. So we are taking this table for our application. So in our server, it's just the table is just created, so we can go for a launched application. For you have to open the Microsoft Visual Studio and then select File New Website. So we have just launched the Microsoft Visual Studio File New website. I hope empty website will work. Let's see. And then it says to select a website, and then where you want to location, you can change it the location, and then next. So here is the website one, and here you can just see the by default web config codes are there, but we need ultimately a form, and here you can just skip this portion. Here it says that if you launch it, it will by default there will be a form called ASP default.asp ASPX, but as we select the empty website, so we don't have any default website. So here it just say if you just don't connect anything and just run, you'll see this. So let's see, and then they delete it and then they create it again. You can see that delete the current default.aspx, as we don't have the default one, so we can just create one which is like this, form. So let's do that. Add with form, and you can name it like as a default.aspx. So then you can see that this things has a design split and source. Right now we are in the source. So if you go to the design, and if you just say anything on the body like welcome, and then run without debugging, then you can see that wherever you're writing it will just comes up within here.
Ma'am, for this no need of Tomcat web server.
Yeah, I mean, it's just saying that if you don't have anything connection with database, still you can run it, and how the output will come ultimately to you. That's the thing. Because you are not connected with anything. But when you are connecting with anything, then you have the lot of things to add. So okay, let's just and then it says insert table. So by default here it's in body you can just insert a table, and by default the size whatever it is, here its size is like 2 column and 2 rows, you can see like that. So whatever we'll design within this table. Then you can add a level into the table which is called EMPDNO. So let's do the toolbox general level. So if you have cursor here, then level will create here. If you double click it, if you can come back and you can say that EMPDNO. Done. And then here it says that whenever you are doing something, you have to change that. You can see that if you change that, the text will get changed automatically. So if you just select it, here is all the properties for that particular level, and that says. I think the level is not created.
It will be in the properties. Yeah, text.
So here the level is still the level. If I just change it, no, it's got changed.
You need to make change in text.
Yeah, I think so. So if we have level there, we have to change it. So it got changed. Then we have add a text box and all, and then we need to add a text box, and for to add a text box you can go into the next to that, and here you can see it's just the immediate after the within the same block of the table. The table within same block will just now add a text box. So text box. So for text box, they also tell that to change the ID. The reason behind that we will change that ID because next time in the code we'll call that ID by our name, TXTEMPDN. So then as this name is just modified by us, so in the code we can detect where is the text code for text box. And then there's a button we have to put just next to the so in button we can say as usual the text, we can change the text and also the ID. So for text first we say show in for ID. Right. grid view. We'll add a grid view just next to the next column. So if you go in there, you can see in grid view we'll get it from here. Toolbox, data, and then grid view. In grid view it says to change some properties, which is first you can change into the ID as GV1. And then we'll click the auto format and then choose the classic. These things are absolutely depends on you because it's just the design. And then you can say that many other properties can be set from the properties menu. Set the following: allow paging, allow sorting, true. When you're selecting, then in properties window it will show all the properties for the grid view. So here it says allow paging, true, allow sorting, true, and then cell padding 4, page size 3, cell padding 4, cell padding 4, and cell page
size.
and page size. Page size. Page size
3.
and width. Something called width, which will be 437 px. If you don't change it, if you change it, it just absolutely up to you. Here we're just showing just because of give you an idea. And then it says scroll down the list, double click on the page index changing, and this opens the default SPA.cs page and creates the method for the changing. So we'll create that later. So in this portion we'll see that. Then here's the things that they just explained. So we have done it. Now we can add another table and insert a row below. So first select the table. So you have another row. Add a label there, displaying the error message. It is always good to include this, let the user know that what is happening, making sure that cursor in the last row. So, and we put that name as a label error. So we're putting the cursor in the last row, then label, and for that we can say IDs. What the text is. No text. So we can just show errors. Or if there is any error, it will come by automatic. Okay, so now we have to set up some classes and interfaces. So first of all, classes and interfaces that you create should be placed in a separate folder called app code. In the solution folder, right click on the name of the project and then choose a new folder. So in solution folder, you can just add a new next page access. So new item and then C# class and then the name is ID iBusiness.cs. So repeat those things for next iData and IDB access. So add new item and then C# class. Then in iBusiness task, we have to change that interface into the name should be changed to the class. So change into interface. So here it says system and link and web, and then here it says that it needs to be changed into interface.
Can you increase the font?
And then we have to remove these things. Add the classes and that will implement that you have just created. Here we can say in the business layer.cs. In business layer.cs, we can just connect that interface into the iBusiness. So for business layer, we have to so add the classes that will implement that you have just created. In solution folder, Explorer window, right click on the app code folder and select new item, and then add new item as C# classes name as business layer, and then add. Same thing we have to do for data layer and DB layer. So let's do that. So then in business layer, go for into business layer. In business layer, it says that we'll connect into the things. So public class business layer will connect into the interface called business that we have just created. And then in between that things, we can just remove. Those things are common, so we can just, and this button we can just save it. So the same thing we have to do for repeat for these things for iData and IDB access. And for data layer, we will connect to the iData you can see a lot of the curvy red line underline of a lot of things. So let's see what it said here. There will be some words Visual Studio are underlined with the red wavy line, and they some are called dataset. So yes, dataset. If you go to the cursor, they said that the namespace needs in the library. So you just right click it and then resolve. Then using the system.data that will included here, and then
Remove that last curly brace.
I think this cursor is not needed, right?
Last curly brace is not.
This one?
Yeah.
Then also this one. So this protected is also not needed, right?
No, it is needed.
No, it is on code already. That's needed.
Okay.
That's fine, yeah. So for data source, resolve data, and then also for get data set. So there it says that also there's a underlined words for get data set. Just for resolve that, because we don't have anything called get data set anywhere, so that's why it's gaming as a unknown thing. So here it says right click on the get data set and select generate, and then select method stop, and then right click and then generate and method stop. So now the method is added to the iBusiness interface. Click on app ibusiness.cs. So if you go to the ibusiness.cs, here it's already been included. So now here's that things. Now write code for the classes and interfaces. So for the business layer class, so if you go for business layers.cs, and then it says that implement interface. So right click on the iBusiness, select implement interface, select implement interface on interface to be added to that class. Right click on iBusiness, and then implement interface.
No, ma'am. You have to go to the business layer. Right click on the iBusiness. Here, public class. Yeah. Implement interface.
So then employee none. So method added after the implementing the interfaces. Now copy and paste those things into the get dataset method. So we can just resolve the underlying dataset with
We need to remove that row. Yes.
dataset will be on, and there will be again the remove line. Resolve the underlying dataset as previous. In the ID. iData ID, this line we need to add as constructor. Just next to the that thing we just opened. get data set
Get
also
step.
here.
Method step.
So here we are saying that select F name salary from the employee, where D now will take as input from the user. So then note once you add the above, if the code you will see another red wavy line like this, system.data, as you don't have that. Then also repeat with the system with right click on the get data set and select generate and select from start. And add more things for add more methods for IDB access interface, right click on the write down the now we business layer down, data layer down, our data access. Data layer, business layer.
DB.
So business layer down,
DB layer is not done now.
DB layer now. Come here. And then copy and paste the following things into the get data set method. So here it doesn't know which is the SQL. So code for the DB layer. This is the layer where open the connection for database and the communication to the database. So right click on the IDB access, and then into that copy and paste the following things. Replace any existing code is already there. So I think so I think that things is got wrong. So from interface IDB access. So it says we have to go first IDB access there, and then we need to copy these things and put into the public interface IDB access there, and this thing says like 3. So integer so this one needs to be the above the then code for the IDB layer. So DB layer dot class here we say maybe we'll get back to over there. But now we go for DB layer dot class. DB layer class. And then here copy and paste all the things of the parentheses of the class. Replace any existing code is already